location inside the Beltline condo just minutes from Downtown Raleigh, Midtown and Midtown East shopping center, and the first Wegmans grocery to open in late 2019. Secured entryway at front door leads you to hardwoods, crown molding, tile floors. Breakfast bar kitchen features stainless steel GE appliances with maple cabinets. Large living room with recessed lighting. Large master suite and master bath, plus half bath. Enjoy your spacious patio, great for entertaining. New HVAC in 2017.